Hey guys, welcome back to Pincha Pink Salt. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my 3 favorite hot chocolate recipes. Now the very last one is my absolute favorite, so that's like the top hot chocolate. So if you guys really want to see that one, stick around till the end of the video. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first one is a simple 3-ingredient hot chocolate. Alright, so we just have cocoa powder, some sugar, and some plant milk. I always use almond, it's my favorite one to use, but you can use whatever you like. We're gonna heat this on the stove, add a little more sugar if you think you need, even a little more salt if you want a little contrast in flavor, and once this heats up to this point, we are ready to serve. Alright, like I said, super easy. You could even pop all these ingredients in the microwave if you don't feel like dealing with the stove. That's cool too. Alright, recipe number 2, Italian hot chocolate. We have chopped dark chocolate, cane sugar, cocoa powder, our milk, some pink salt, and we are going to put this on the stove and mix everything until it's well combined. We're gonna let it heat up, but mix it every now and again because we want our chocolate chunks to melt through. We don't want them to burn. Now we're gonna add in our cornstarch, but we're gonna do it separately. We're gonna take some of our hot chocolate mixture, mix it into our cornstarch until it's nice and smooth. We don't want any cornstarch clumps in our hot chocolate. We're gonna then pour that in and mix it all until it's well combined, and then let it heat until our hot chocolate is nice and thick. Now my hot chocolate is done, but as you can see, I have a lot of bubbles, like more than I want. Okay, so make sure when you're heating your hot chocolate, you have it on low, no higher, or you may end up with bubbles like me. But it's still just as delicious, really nice and smooth going down, but I would like a little less bubbles. Alright, now for my absolute favorite hot chocolate recipe. Alright, so we're gonna chop our dark chocolate. We're then gonna add in our cocoa powder. I'm actually using brown sugar. I like the flavor that it adds. And I'm also adding some coconut milk for creaminess, pink salt, some ground nutmeg, and some cardamom. Now those last 2 spices are optional, but I'm telling you guys, it adds a really delicious element to this hot chocolate. We're gonna mix all of this together until we get a nice lumpy paste, and then we're gonna add in our plant milk. Now we're gonna transfer to the stove and heat until everything is nice and silky smooth. And this is it. This, guys, is my absolute favorite way to make hot chocolate. It is nice and thick, but it's not too thick, but it's really nice and creamy. The chocolate is so intense. It's just the perfect hot chocolate. So these are my 3 favorite hot chocolate recipes. Of course, the third one being my absolute favorite. It's just so perfect. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, which one you tried, which one you don't like. I want to know. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week. Give me a like, and until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.